Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel Power, and this is Suki. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you what is the upgrades we have made on the PC BMS and how it works on the actual situation. Now here are total 20 pieces, 16 kilowatt hours PC314 batteries are paralleled together. And let's see, when we parallel the PC BMS, we need to use the communication cable. We need to make sure that the first battery is RS485C, and we put here. And the next battery we need to connect to the RS485B. And now let's use the communication port to connect to the RS232 port. Connect with the PC side so that we can use the PC BMS app to on-time monitoring the battery parallel situation. We should enter the password first. And see the battery we should power on. We go to setting. Here we need to choose 115200. Open serial. Okay, start monitor. Okay, now we can see the on-time situation of the battery. Here is the first battery, and you can see is total 20 pieces. Batteries are already paralleled successfully. We have already made a practice this morning. The maximum parallel number is 32 pieces. Here we can see the single battery voltages and the battery basic information of the first battery. Here we open port, we can see is automatically monitoring the battery situation. And compared to the previous PC BMS battery packs, here we can see the ADS is changed to 6. The number is 6. And compared with the previous one, the ADS is 4. You can see here. And the second difference is that the PC BMS, the previous PC BMS has an external 4A, has an external active balancer here. You can see. And also the balancer also needs to use 2 lines to connect with the battery cells. And now the upgraded PC BMS already have an active balancer built in, so we don't need an external active balancer. And here is only one line to connect with the BMS. You can see the ADS, we haven't dialed it, and you can see it's automatically dialing code. And here shows 20 pieces, so 20 pieces battery is already parallel successfully. So in conclusion, at this time, the upgrade of the PC BMS is that the previous PC BMS is with an external active balancer, and the new upgraded PC BMS already have an active balancer built-in, so we no need to buy another active balancer. So it's more cost-effective option, and also the ADS is automatically code dialing, and it's more easy for our customers and save time. And also the line connect with the BMS, no need to connect to another active balancer. It's also easily assembling. So if you still have any questions about the new upgraded PC BMS, or you need our support on the technique, you can contact us, and please like and share, and please like and share this video, and see you next time.